Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For in this seminar lessons, I will discuss about the effects of using movies in improving vocabulary. Okay, here's the introductions. Having a good vocabulary is one of the most important things for language speakers to be able to communicate. Without enough vocabulary, it would be difficult for anyone to use the four language skills: listening, speaking, and reading, and writing also. According to McCarthy, no matter how well the students learn grammars, no matter how successfully they imitate the sounds, the language, without words to express a wider range of meaning, there just can be a meaningful of communications. From Wahyu Ningsi 2018 also states that limited exposures to English vocabularies is one of the issues that causes the student poor writing skill. One of the main methods used by the teacher in Indonesian to teach vocabulary is just by simply giving a list of words for the students to memorize. This is not only boring but also ineffective in helping the students to retain the vocabulary because it doesn't provide context on how the vocabulary can be used. Movies have the potential to be used to provide an interesting and engaging vocabulary learning experience. Movies also catch learner interest and increase their motivation to learn. And regarding subtitle or caption in a movie, various studies have shown positive effects of subtitling. Rockney and Atay suggest that using subtitles with movies in general affects language learning positively. While watching subtitled movies, students are not only watching and listening to the audiovisual material but also interacting with as they translate the source the text into the target language. Okay, the methodology that I use in this research is: what is the effect of using movies in improving vocabulary among EFL learners from across age group? How does the use of movie affect the student motivations? Okay, for the questions are as follow. For the first, do you enjoy watching the movie? Does watching movie motivates you to learn English? Does the process improve your vocabulary? Does the subtitle help to understand the movie? And for the fifth, without the subtitle, would you be able to acquire new vocabulary? Okay, for the finding and discussion time, all participants find that watching movies can increase their vocabulary. However, some are skeptical about the effectiveness of the method. Their reasoning is that watching the movie takes nearly 2 hours, and the number of new vocabularies they acquire is not so many. But all of them agree that this experience is enjoyable. Okay, this research is a preliminary level research on the subject. Further, the research with larger data sets and better design methods should be conducted in order to reach a conclusive result. However, the information acquired during this research show encouraging results toward the movies as media of teaching. Okay, that's all about our discussion for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.